Try this strange 10-second technique tonight to reverse type 2 diabetes. Most people continue to take blood sugar medications because they've been brainwashed by the medical establishment to believe diabetes is a hereditary condition, even though new studies are showing this to be completely false. If you or a loved one is suffering from type 2 diabetes, prediabetes, or high blood sugar levels, then you must see this. An award-winning doctor from Maryland has just revealed the real biological root cause of high blood sugar, and it has nothing to do with sugar intake, eating carbs, or even genetics, but instead with beta cells in the pancreas. This highly acclaimed doctor was forced out of his practice after unveiling a billion-dollar secret he wasn't supposed to know. A clinically proven 10-second technique to restore healthy sugar levels that you can use today regardless of your current condition. Click or tap the link in the comment or in the description below to learn how. This powerful method takes only seconds a day and helps your pancreas to regulate sugar almost instantly, all without the need for medications and their side effects or restrictive diets. Over 44,200 people are already doing this, and not only are they able to fix their high sugar levels naturally, but they are also boosting their metabolisms and losing pound after pound of diabetic fat. And this number is growing every day. So stop everything you are doing and click or tap the link in the comment or in the description below to watch this short, free, eye-opening video. You'll see how thousands of people are using this secret technique to rapidly restore healthy sugar levels. This method works so incredibly well that the greedy executives within the pharmaceutical industry are pushing to keep the key to reversing type 2 diabetes hidden and protect their absurd profits. While you still can, click or tap the link in the comment or in the description below and learn how to use this secret technique to potentially eliminate type 2 diabetes and get back to feeling great again. This video may not be available for long as Big Pharma files a new application every day to get it taken down. See it now before it's too late.